It was dark, so I didn't notice what type of car it was. I'll tell Connie as soon as I see her. You'll fall in French, unless you work harder. Note down her telephone number, in case you forget. There'll be no peace until she gets what she wants. I've reorganized my files so that I can easily find what I'm looking for. She speaks as if she were a boss. He spoke not only his native language Japanese, but also Korean and Chinese. We can neither change nor improve it. The door must be either shut or open.
I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. I enjoy reading, while my brother prefers sports. She was tired, yet she was still finishing her homework. We could go hiking, or we could stay home and watch a movie. She is both talented and hardworking. They had been friends for years, yet they had never argued. He waited patiently while she was still busy. We will leave early in case traffic is heavy. I will stay inside until it stops raining. She ran faster than she had ever run before, so she won the race. I didn't recognize her since she cut her hair. Neither he nor his sister were able to attend. You can watch TV if you finished your homework. The teacher explained the concept again, so that the students would understand. He was upset, yet he didn't show it.